Home renovation laws in Florida. What you need to know. Thinking of sprucing up your home in the Sunshine State? Before you dive into your renovation project, it's crucial to understand the home renovation laws in Florida. This guide will walk you through the essentials in a simple and engaging way. 1. Permits, the essential first step. Renovating your home without the necessary permits can lead to fines, legal troubles, and even having to undo your work. In Florida, you typically need a permit for structural changes like adding or removing walls, electrical work, plumbing changes, major HVAC work, roof replacements. Always check with your local building department to know which permits you need for your specific project. 2. Working with licensed contractors. Hiring licensed contractors is a must in Florida. Not only does this ensure that the work is up to code, but it also protects you legally and financially. A licensed contractor has passed exams and met the state's requirements, holds insurance, can handle permits and inspections. Make sure to verify the contractor's license status on the Florida Department of Business and Professional Regulations website. 3. Understanding building codes. Florida's building codes are designed to ensure safety and quality. These codes cover everything from structural integrity to energy efficiency. Key areas include hurricane protection. Given Florida's hurricane-prone location, your renovation must meet specific standards for wind resistance. Flood zones. If your property is in a flood zone, additional regulations apply to prevent flood damage. Energy efficiency. Florida has strict guidelines to ensure new installations and renovations contribute to energy conservation. 4. Inspections, a critical step. Inspections ensure that the renovation work complies with all relevant codes and standards. Once the work requiring permits is completed, you'll need an inspector to check the foundation and framing, electrical systems, plumbing systems, HVAC systems. Passing these inspections is crucial for the legality and safety of your renovation. 5. Historic preservation laws. If your home is in a historic district or has a historic designation, special laws might apply. These laws are designed to preserve the character and significance of historic properties. Any changes you plan to make must be approved by the local Historic Preservation Board. 6. Homeowners Association (HOA) rules. If you live in a community with an HOA, you'll need to follow their specific rules and guidelines. HOAs can have strict regulations about the types of renovations allowed, so always get approval before starting any project. 7. Fines and penalties. Ignoring permit requirements and building codes can lead to significant fines and penalties. These can include stop work orders, halting your renovation until you comply with regulations. Fines, daily fines until the issue is resolved. Legal action. In severe cases, legal action and having to undo completed work. 8. Getting help from professionals. Navigating home renovation laws can be complex, but you don't have to do it alone. Consider consulting. Architects, for design and structural guidance. Engineers, for technical assessments. Lawyers, for legal advice and compliance checks. Conclusion. Renovating your home in Florida can be a rewarding project, but it's essential to stay compliant with local laws and regulations. By understanding the permit process, hiring licensed contractors, and following building codes, you can ensure your renovation is safe, legal, and successful. Are you ready to sell your property but unsure where to start? Look no further. At Galaxy Realty LLC, we specialize in turning your real estate dreams into reality. Here's why partnering with us is the best decision you'll make. With years of experience in the real estate market, our team of professionals knows the ins and outs of property sales. We stay ahead of market trends to ensure you get the best value for your property. We believe every property is unique, and so is our approach. Our customized marketing plans are designed to highlight the best features of your property, attracting the right buyers quickly and efficiently. From the initial consultation to the final closing, we provide end-to-end support. Our dedicated agents are always available to answer your questions, provide updates, and offer expert advice. Our vast network of potential buyers, investors, and industry contacts means your property gets maximum exposure. We leverage our connections to find the perfect match for your property. What our clients say. Working with Galaxy Realty LLC was a game changer. They made the selling process seamless and stress-free. I couldn't have asked for a better experience. Maria Morales. Their attention to detail and personalized service set them apart. I highly recommend Galaxy Realty LLC to anyone looking to sell their property. Olivia Miller. Ready to sell? Let's get started. Don't leave the sale of your property to chance. Trust the experts at Galaxy Realty LLC to deliver exceptional results. Contact us today for a free consultation and discover how we can help you achieve your real estate goals. For more details, feel free to contact Alex at Galaxy Realty LLC. You can text Alex at 95455455020 or email him at mygalaxyrealty@gmail.com. Thank you.